If, after installing a new wiper blade, you find your rear windshield wiper is not touching the glass, or you find that your wiper isn't sure what it is supposed to clean, you most likely need to replace the wiper arm. To start, lift outward and then pull the sides of the cover for the rear wiper bolt. These two tabs will likely break if the plastic is old, so be careful if you plan to reinstall the old cover. The wiper arm should not be able to move freely around the bolt as shown. And as you can see, mine has cracked, creating my problem. We need to remove this nut. Apply some penetrating oil to the bolt and let it soak. Then use a 13mm socket wrench to remove the rear wiper arm. In this situation, it was easiest to separate the cracked arm further and then pull it off. You may wish to cut yours off. I didn't know this plastic cover was also damaged, but it is mostly for aesthetics, so I will just super glue and reuse it. This whitish piece should not be present. It is part of the wiper arm. We will need to cut this piece and then pull it off. I couldn't find my nut puller. I couldn't get my Dremel to work, so a simple hacksaw blade was used. I nicked part of the stem here, but it didn't create an issue. Just be sure not to damage the screw threads. Clean the stem here as much as possible and wipe it down. Attach a new wiper blade to the wiper arm to avoid scratching the window during installation. Reinstall the plastic spacing cover. This is the one that I repaired with super glue. Firmly press the wiper arm horizontally into place. Ensure the arm is level with the ground. Apply some medium strength thread locker to the screw threads. Be careful not to over tighten the wiper arm while using a 13mm socket. Minding these two plastic tabs and these holes where they go into, reinstall the plastic cover, snapping it back into place. Alright, we now have an effective rear windshield wiper. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content and want to see more, please consider subscribing.